Introducing the All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge. Say goodbye to long, complicated makeup routines.
This sponge comes with 1.5 centimeters of cushioning to minimize foundation absorption, making sure all of your makeup goes where it's supposed to. Feel the difference of an all-natural finish, perfect coverage, and glowing, radiant skin. All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge is made with advanced ultra-fine ruby cell material and an interior dual coating that measures at just 1/10 of a micrometer. These materials stop the sponge from absorbing makeup while facilitating the transfer of product to the skin. Plus, ruby cell is soft to the touch and free of irritants, infusing an extra bit of comfort into your makeup routine. All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge changes the game with a pillowy 1.5 centimeters of cushioning. The thickness of our material ensures the balanced application of pressure to the skin. And with jelly-like flexibility, this sponge fills up all spaces between the pores for a smoother finish. All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge is much larger than the competition. With just a few small pats, you'll be done with your makeup routine before you know it. Designed with a droplet shape, All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge provides smooth coverage in curved areas near the eyes, nose, forehead, and chin. The rounded circle design is a deliberate feature for better pressure and better product application. Now, you can completely cover up any pores or redness, and with longer-lasting makeup, there's no more need for midday fixers. All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge is created by world-class luxury brand talent. All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge's effectiveness has been proven with over 1,300 field tests. And with latex-free, cruelty-free vegan material, this sponge is good for you and good for the planet. Now, it's your turn. Feel the difference with your very own glow-up that stays all day. All Day Stay Glow Up Sponge.